Hello friends, welcome you all, and today once again another video for you guys. I have bought a Man Matter hair care kit from the Man Matter website. In this video I am going to tell you how you can apply it to your hair. Hey guys, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind's Perception. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see my videos regularly. Therefore, let's get started. First of all, I would like to unbox this product. Here is the box that came from the website. You can see there are 5 things. This is the first thing that in this gut health blend you have to take it daily before your breakfast in the morning. You have to take one pouch each morning. It is a very cool and very sweet. The next item, that is the anti-dandruff shampoo. You have to apply hair 3 times a week. Then the next item is a very important one, which is the hair serum. You have to apply it daily before going to bed at night. 3 drops on your scalp and run for a little while. Practically I will show you how to do it in this video. The next one is the therma roller, which has a 0.5 mm thickness. One has to apply it to the scalp. You can also apply it to your skin and your beard. The last item is the is the hair care gummies, which is not have any added sugar and have a biotic, zinc and multivitamin. I am going to apply the hair serum and therma roller to my hair. So guys, as I have told you that I am going to apply these 2 products, that is the Man Matter therma roller on my hair, so you can see my hairs, and then this is the advanced hair serum. So first of all, before you apply this serum, you have to do some massage from this therma roller on your hair. You can see that my hair here is a little bit, I got some hair fall here, so you have to do the massage. You can see here this box. Friends, this is actually the therma roller. You should not touch your hand to here, and after use of it you have to wash it. Just you have to put before the water, the flowing water, and then you have to dry it, and then you have to put it back to the case. And don't touch it, because it actually make use of the acupuncture. It just gives some puncture on your head, and in this way the blood circulation grow on it. So okay, so here you can see that my hair is like that. So you can apply it and don't press it more. Okay, if you press it more, then it will harm to your head and the blood will come back. Okay, so normally you have to just do like that. Normal press, you have to do the normal press like that. This is the and twice a week you have to do that, twice a week only. It hurts little bit, it hurts. Okay friends, so after using of it, so friends, after use of the therma roller on your scalp, your hair, then you have to apply this Man Matter advanced hair serum, and you have to apply it only at night before you go to your bed, and then in the morning you have to wash your hairs. And for that you can use the anti-dandruff shampoo or the hair growth shampoo of the Man Matter, or otherwise you can use the regular shampoo you are using. So here is this, you can see the bottle of this syrup, and you have to only put 3 to 4 drops on your scalp where actually the baldness is coming, and you have to just apply it on your hair like that. Just 1 drop, the 2nd drop and the 3rd drop. Okay. And after that you have to slowly massage. You can see very slowly you have to massage on your the scalp. Very neatly, very smoothly you have to massage over it. So actually I am using it just for 3 days, and let me use it for 3 months, and after the 3 months you can see I will notice some kind of changes in it, and whether it is a successful or not, because actually so many people they are buying Man Matter or the another one. So guys, after this soft massage of your hair, you have to put it throughout the night, and as I have told you, in the morning you have to wash your hair, and you have to make use of this for 3 months, and then we can see the result of it. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.